Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off subtitles, and also how you can customize them if you decide to turn it on. So first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to the TV, then go for the subtitles, turn them on or turn them off. When you turn them on, you can customize them. We can change the subtitle type. We got normal or hearing impaired. Here we can change primary digital subtitle language, so we can switch from the Polish to English. Go back, and we can also change the secondary digital subtitle language from English to the Polish. And after that we can simply go back. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.